Hi students, coming to our next topic, that is indexing. Actually, indexing is a way of optimizing performance of a database by minimizing the number of disk access required when a query is processed. So whenever you ask a query, when a query is processed, this indexing is helped to minimize the number of disk access required. Okay, so whenever a database query is processed, this indexing is helped to minimize the number of disk access required. So here the indexing is a way of optimizing the performance. It is a way of optimize the performance of database. Okay, so this you call it as indexing. So let us see what is an index. Index, you call it as a data structure. Okay, index is a data structure which is used to quickly locate and access the data in database table. So that you call it as index. So index is nothing but a data structure value. So which is used to quickly locate and access the data in database table. Suppose if you take your textbook, if you want to see the topic of about clustering, okay, clustering, or else you want to see about the primary key. Okay, so if you want to know about the primary key, you just open the textbook. Open textbook. So instead of going to search each and every page, you just go through the back side of textbook. Index will be there. Okay, so you just open your textbook, and backside of your textbook indexes will be there. So in that index you just see the primary key, and they give the page numbers, page number 20, 37, some suppose like 128. In all these pages primary keyword will be there. Okay, so in 20 they said the definition will be there in 20 page. So instead of searching the all book, you just open the 20 page and you will read about the primary key. This 20 you call it as an index value. Okay, key value, search key value. So in that particular location, whatever you want, that file will be there. In the same way, in the database also, if you want to search for a particular record, with the help of index, you will directly go to that, means the processor directly go to that particular index and it take that value, take that record. Okay, that you call it as index. So let us see the structure of index. Structure of index. So in structure of index consists of search key. So in the first left column you are having the search key, and this right column you are having data reference value, means the pointer value to where you have to go for the particular search key. Okay, location, data location. So the structure of index consists of search key and the data reference. So what the search key will do? Okay, search key will contain copy of primary key or candidate key of a table. So in a database table, the search key is nothing but it is maybe a primary key or a candidate key of a table. Whereas data reference contains set of pointers which holding the address of disk block. So it holds the address of particular disk block, suppose B1, B2, like that. So particular disk block address will store in the data reference in the disk block, where particular key value can be found. Okay, if you search in that particular disk block, you will find the whatever the key value that we are searching. So this is the structure of key. So it consisting of the search key on which item we are we are searching for that particular data item, and the pointer to the data item. So in that which location maybe nearer to that particular key is present. So this is the structure of index. Here data is stored in sorted orders. It doesn't sure, okay, the data may or may not be stored in the sorted order. In some cases it's stored in the sorted order. If you use the another different types of indexings will be there. So in particular indexing structures, a sorted order will be necessary. In another type of indexing structures, it may or may not access the use the sorted order. Okay, so let us see one example how this indexing will be allotted in the database table. So let us take, suppose this is an index key structure. So it's having the set of records will be there. Suppose this is the index. So index what consisting of the search key will be there, and the data reference, you call it as a block pointer to where the data, the search key will be present, a particular block pointer. Okay, so and here blocks will be there. Okay, so in particular, suppose the search key 1, it may be in first block pointer. So up to 1 to 10 it presents in block pointer 1. And suppose it's search key 11, block pointer 2, means up another 10 records will be present in block pointer 2, block 2. From 21, block 3. So like that up to suppose 91 is for B10, 101 is B11, 11 is B12, 121 is B13. So like that it's the index consisting of the search key and the block pointers. Okay, suppose here you are having different blocks. This is one block pointer, and this is another block pointer, and this is another block pointer. Like that different blocks will be there. Okay, so here if you want to search the value, the search key is suppose 120. So in the particular 120 record, you are having the data item. So what it does, the database, it goes to nearer to that. So 101 means it is in up to 101 to 110, it is in block pointer 11, means in the block 11. Okay, so block 11 consisting of 101, 102, 103 up to 110. Okay, next block 12 consisting of 111, 112, 113 up to 120. Okay, and the block 13 consisting of 121, 122 up to 130. Okay, so this is block 1, block 2 up to like that. So here the search key is the 120 is the search key. So in that 120 we are having the data item which it is searching for. Okay, so 120 means in which position, in which block that 120 will be stored. So this is 111 and here is 121. So in block 12 maybe the data is present. So it points to block 12 and searching for the particular value, and there you find the data item which you require. So here total how many searches will be there? Up to your search the data items blocks up to 11 searches. 11 blocks you searched here. Okay, so this is the how the index will help. Instead of searching for each and every record 1 2 3 4 up to the search value is 120. So this is block 1 and block 2, block 10, sorry, block 2. So like that, block 4, block 5, block 6. You are searching for each and every item in the block until you go for 120. Okay. So here 120 means it's totally, it has to search all the records in each and every block. So this is a normal procedure. So if you use the index, it helps with the help of the search key and with the help of the base pointer. It directly goes to that particular block, and this particular block it goes to directly that particular record. Okay, so this is the use of index, which helps to minimize the searching devices, searching points. Okay, thank you.